there anything else? Nope. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a new video. It's your boy JD, aka runJDrun, and on today's video I'm doing some unboxings. I'm back for more. We're gonna talk about what's so special about all this PlayStation gear. You know, the controller that people won't stop talking about. I don't get what the hype is, but I'm here for you. So, you know, go slap that like button if you want to see some more next-gen content. I got some things for you. And yeah, all right, let's get into it. So first things first, let's start with what I think would be like the least hype thing on the list, which is the PlayStation 5 media remote. Yes, this is the media remote that you're able to use on the PlayStation 5, and you know, I'm assuming it'll help you switch between, I don't know, Disney Plus, Netflix, Spotify, and YouTube. Do y'all see that? So this is the media remote, and I think it's just used to, you know, switch over to maybe your different, I have no idea actually. Let's read the back of it. So the back of it says, entertainment at the push of a button. Conveniently control entertainment on your PlayStation 5 console with an intuitive layout. Okay, so I mean, you know, it's a controller for your PS5 to switch between games. That's the thing that keeps throwing me. Oh, between apps. If you have apps on your PS5, that's what you're gonna do. You're gonna use this thing to switch between the apps. All right, so let's stop talking and let's start opening. All right, let's see. Okay, so I got this like weird little top-down angle that I'm using. Oh, by the way, just a heads up to let you know, that top-down angle, you're sitting there probably thinking it's a nice fancy camera. Yo, that's my phone. I'm gonna actually make a video about this this new app that you can use to use your phone as your webcam. We'll talk about it soon, but for now, let's just look at this thing. I feel bad opening these before I get my PlayStation 5 though, you know? A piece of me is just kind of like, bro, you can't open this without the PS5? All right, so there it is. It's form-fitting, it looks nice. It's very comfortable in my own personal opinion. You can see the buttons for Netflix, Disney, YouTube, and Spotify. They literally have that on there. I thought that was a joke. Okay, cool. So there it is. Disney Plus, Netflix, YouTube, Spotify. You got your plus and your minus. You got your mute button. You got your TV. It looks like there's two mute buttons. Oh no, that's the speak into the phone button that you use whenever you want to like say, hey TV, switch it over to Spider-Man Miles Morales. So there's that. I'm seeing like a back button. I'm seeing a play button. I'm seeing a fast forward. I'm seeing a menu button over there. And up, down, left, and right. All right, so yeah, that's the PlayStation 5 multimedia remote that you can purchase individually somewhere. I don't know. I bought all of these things the day that the PlayStation 5 pre-orders went up, so I kind of jumped the gun because I was just like, get it all! In my brain, I was just like, buy everything! All right, y'all, so next on our list, we have the DUALSENSE charging station. Yeah, I want to save the controller for last because everybody loves talking about it, but we got the DUALSENSE charging station right here. It's basically what you use to put your controllers on so that they can charge. Here it is. I opened it a little bit already because I got a little ahead of myself, but as you can see, on the front and the back, it says, click, charge, and play. Click, charge, and play with your new PlayStation 5. Let's open the box from this top-down angle. See if I'm murdering these boxes, by the way. I thought I was gonna keep my PlayStation. I might keep the PlayStation console box, but accessories, no, they're getting manhandled, baby. Oh, JD, don't break it. Oh my gosh, how do you? Let me in! Also, my microphone's like in the way, so I can't like... Nope. Dude, can you... Here we go. Slow pull. There you go. There you go. You wrecked the box. And now, let's see what's inside. All right, we got our pamphlets. There's a charging. Oh, I forgot. There's a charging hub because you know you got to charge your stuff. So that's cool. There's the same power cord that you use once you plug in your PlayStation 5. That's great. And then last but not least, we've got the charger. Oh, it's very sleek. Very sleek. I like the way this thing looks. This thing looks pretty dynamic. I'm not, get out of the way. I'm not gonna lie. It looks smooth. It looks clutch. It looks very next gen, especially with the PlayStation 5 being like a what do they call it? A monolith of a console. But yeah, I could see that you could just like rock your PS5 controller on it and it'll look clean. We'll see what it looks like with the PS5 controller connected in just a second after I open it. Here's another angle of it for you on the better camera, by the way. So there it is. Nice front, or excuse me, side. What is that? It's a speckle. Get the speckle out of there. Sorry. All right, so there's the front, the sides, the top. This way. Ooh, dang, JD, this camera looking crispy, bro. What is this camera I'm using? I think it's just the lighting because I have the lights off in here. Ooh, we was looking fabulous. Yo, actually, you know what's kind of funny about this? It looks like a little mini PlayStation 5. Look at that. It's the same like architecture and all that jazz. I didn't realize that. Yeah, from the top, make it drop. That's some wet ass, you know. But that's like a mini PS5. Huh, that's fancy. I like that. That looks really cool. All right, y'all, next on our list, we have got the PlayStation 5 Pulse 3D wireless headset. So on the back of this, it says how games were made to sound, dual hidden microphones, built-in rechargeable battery, easy access controls, 3M jack, refined earbuds or ear pads, wireless adapter. Wireless adapter. I wonder if I could plug this in with my Go XLR. That would be really cool. I don't think I can because I think it's a USB wireless adapter. Oh, look at that. It's compatible with the PlayStation 4 and the PSVR. I didn't know that was going to be a thing. Huh. They over here making this old gen, next gen, future gen, you know what I'm saying? How would I be able to listen wireless? I gotta figure this out on my own later, but let's take a look at it. All right, so I don't have my handy dandy knife on me today, so you know, this is a mediocre unboxing at best, but oh god, I don't want to hurt my fingers. My fingies. All right, come on, take this. It's just a sticker. There you go. All right, so we're open up the top. There we go. All right, got some, you know, the huge. We got the huge in here. We got our quick start guide. I don't know what's in this little thing. It might be the USB. Let's see real quick. Okay, so yeah, everything that I thought was in here was in here. So you got the you got a USB to USB-C cable. You got a small USB wireless adapter, and you also have a headphone jack, a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. Cool. You see this? That's it. It's right there. Next, you got the headphones, which I think is the only thing left in the box. Is there anything else? Nope. These are kind of ugly. Sorry, PlayStation. These aren't the prettiest headphones I've ever seen. It would be better if they had more white trim, but I guess the band is white. So like you can or may, oh my gosh, like you can see, you got these headphones with these really big ear cups that I guess go right over your ears. You have like a stress band right before you get to the top band, and you have the white trim of the PlayStation. I don't like the all black of the side. It looks kind of weird. It's not my favorite. It's interesting, but it's not my favorite. All right, so let me show it to you up front. So like I said, the all white trim, the black earmuff cups, they're really thick. Like I feel like these are gonna get damaged very quickly if you're not careful. This extra headrest thing, that's actually kind of nice. I kind of like that. It's like a stretchy little up and down type of vibe. I don't know. And then, oh, let's look at all these. So it looks like you have, wow, you have the USB-C for charging, you have the power button, you have mute, you have volume, you have off and on, chat, and game. A whole bunch of little knick-knack paddywhacks on there, if you can read that. Yeah, so all of the little things. Look at that, you're getting stuff on it already, JD. All right, let's see how they look. Oh, they look kind of nice, I can't lie. Like, they're not half bad. I don't know if I could, I wonder, I probably, if I plug them in, could hear my what I'm doing right now. Hold on. Oh, hold on now. Wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, I haven't been able to hear myself this whole time that I've been recording, and this sounds good. This actually sounds better than the headphones I have, which are these, and people have been asking me, what are these headphones? Mind you, I love these the way they look way more than the ones that I just showed you, but these are the Alienware headphones that I have. Shout out to Alienware for providing the product. The trim and the white, all of this is way better looking. But you know, they don't necessarily sound better, do they? I don't think so. I hope not. But they sound pretty good. I have them plugged in. They're not wireless plugged in with audio, but you know, I feel like these are gonna go home with me because I'll have a PlayStation for my you know, sitting and lounging in my living room type of vibe. So I think these are the ones that I'll just like take home with me. I'll sit back, I'll relax, I'll be able to listen to games. Let's say I'm playing on the couch and maybe Pilar is busy and she's talking to someone on the phone. I'll be able to just listen to the game and play. I don't usually ever have to do that, but that might be something I do. So yeah, so far I like them. All right, y'all. So last but not least, we have got the ultimate controller of next gen that everyone won't stop talking about. It is the PlayStation 5 DualSense wireless controller. I don't know what all the hype is about because I don't have my PS5 yet. PlayStation, where is it? No, but it should be coming this week. But yeah, I've heard great things about this. I have no idea what to expect, but let's at least take it out of the box and see how we feel. And maybe I'll make a separate video about the controller, but I would need to play the games on the console, I think. So I may give you something like that. Let me know in the comments down below if you'd like to see a solo review for the controller itself. All right, we're going into the destruction part of the video. Now, I know some of y'all are probably like, JD, don't mess up the box, please, please, but it's too late. Yo, the disrespect. Hold on, let's leave the box. There you go. Oh, okay. Oh, honey, this might be, oh, talk to me dirty. Okay, oh, this feels different. I'm not used to how this feels. This is it's funny because I have my camera, it's funny because I have my hands off to the side so you can't see what I'm doing, but like, it's just me holding. I can feel the tension. I can feel the tension on the triggers. I can feel stuff, but I would need a console to know what I'm talking about. But I'm hoping these what's it called, what do you call these, joysticks? I hope they don't peel off like the PlayStation 4. Yo, PS4 was notorious for that. But from what I'm seeing and what I'm feeling, this is solid. This is a solid controller. I like it. It's got all the buttons. It's got the stuff, the light bar. I have no idea what it would look. Oh wait, it turned on. Oh, I didn't think it would turn on. Could you? Oh wait, it turned on for like half a second, then disappeared. There we go. Oh. It's back. Okay. All right. That's nice. All right. Let me show it on the. Oh shit! Slipped out of my hand. It's so nice. Okay. Okay. We're gonna focus up. We're good. All right. So here it is in all its glory. The PlayStation 5 DualSense wireless controller. It looks beautiful. This will probably be the thumbnail for this video, right there. But from what I can see, man, it's a crispy little baby. I like it right there. I like it right there. Oh no, did I scratch it? Oh no, what the no, little baby, please. What is that? Bro, no. No, I scuffed it. No, when I dropped it just now? What? No. Look at that. Right next to the USB-C. Scuff. All right, so the scuff minus the scuff, unless that's part of it. It's not part of it, JD. I like the way this looks. I like the way this looks. I like the way this feels. I would need some hands-on time with some gameplay to give you a better understanding of what really goes on when you use it. But I personally am a fan. I like the two-tone white and black. It's interesting because PlayStation is usually known for their black consoles, but they switched it up this time. R2 and L2, those are where it's right here. It's right in here where I think you really get a sense of what you're going to be feeling when it comes to the haptic feedback. But for now, I think it's legit. I think it's legit, and I think it's well put together, and I think I scuffed it. And PlayStation, please send me another one. Actually, I forgot. I have like 2, maybe 3. I'll be fine. This will be fine. But that, oh, don't drop it, is the DualSense wireless controller. And yeah. Oh, last but not least, here is the DualSense wireless controller sitting on top of the DualSense charger, which is going to house 2 controllers at once. Hopefully 2 that don't have scuffs on them. Looks good. It kind of just like, you just drop it in. You don't do anything else. You don't have to like kind of clench it together or make it go like click, click. It just goes. I like it though. I'm a fan of everything I just reviewed. People, so this has been the PlayStation 5 accessories unboxing review, first impressions with your boy runJDrun. Let me know what you think about all these items that are going to be coming out next week or this week, depending on when I upload this. Let me know your thoughts. Post them in the comments down below. Hit that like button if you haven't already. Maybe we can get this video to like 1,000 likes. That'd be pretty cool. I'd appreciate it. And if you enjoyed this video, thank you so much. Be sure to hit the like button, share, links in the description below, subscribe, check out those videos over there on the left, and I will catch you on the next one. Next gen is upon us. I'm excited.